Hi traders, this is Mikael Foucault from beststrategiesfortrading.com. Today I'm preparing the chart for the European market on the 14th of November 2013. First I'm going to give you a background on how my trading is working. I'm a swing trader. My philosophy is Contrarian. The methods I use is from price action levels, it's pivots, trend lines, moving average. I'm only looking at the charts or stocks that have more than $10 million in daily average turnover. How I find my setups is from my own developed scanning algorithm that I have built within the Metastock platform. And if you want to know more about the background, how I work and the philosophy and psychology, how technical analysis is working, please take a look at my tutorial video on YouTube. According to money management, I have a position size of 10%, and my target is generally 2.6% with a trailing target reset end of day. My stop is also trailing, it's reset end of day, it's 1.3% minus. Just give you a quick example of how price action is working with a level. This is the peak of year 2000 on the SPY, that's the SP500 tracking ETF. You have this level, and when the price come up to that level again, it meets resistance and turn around and go down. That could also be a kind of support line. If you work with trend lines, you connect several troughs, and that line that builds from that troughs is making a future support line where the price could bounce from. You can also take the 200 moving average. That's, in my opinion, one of the most used two moving averages. You can see how that make both resistance and support for the price. Okay. Take a look at the first chart that I have. I have only two charts for the European session tomorrow. I got ABB, the Switzerland construction company, engineering construction company. I use this high pivot from 2011. The print is 170 and 40. 170 krona and 40 öre. That's because it's trading on the Stockholm Stock Exchange. It's the currency is called like that, and my level will be 170 and 40. Also, of course, check if ABB has any earnings announcement coming up, because you don't want to take a trade one day and the next day before the opening you have an earnings release and the gap will go against you with 5 or 10%. That's not a good way of trading. No earnings release for ABB. Next chart I got is Philips, the Dutch technology company, or electronic company, you could say, domestic product. I got this high peak from 2010. The high is 27 euros. That's the level I'm gonna use for a short sell. Of course, check for earnings for Philips. No earnings announcement in the near future. Okay, that was all for me today. That's only two charts I have to show you. And remember, this is only my personal trading blog, so don't take these setups or anything for a personal advice for just you. This is just my personal opinion. And remember, if you do any trade, it's always part with risks. And if you in any chance do a trade, remember, do not put more money on the line that you can afford to lose. That was me for today, preparing the European markets for tomorrow, 14th of November 2013. Thank you for your attention and happy trading.